Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Style by Sophia. So my today video is about I'm gonna show you how to create a smoky glittery eye, and it's a makeup tutorial of an eyeshadow. Now let's get started with it. So it is gonna show, or it's gonna seem like this. So in this tutorial we are not gonna use many products, we are not gonna use many brushes, we are gonna use only 3 brushes, that is 2 blending one and one a flat brush. Okay, and not many products, just 2 eyeshadow, that is one is neutral one and the second is black, that is smoky one. Okay, and one more, that is glitter. For sure we are gonna use glitter on it. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is we have to prime our eyelids and the eye portion area. Now after priming our eyelid and eye portion area, what we are going to do, we have to create a blank canvas so we can work onto it. Okay, so what we will do is we will first of all apply concealer on it. Okay, so see, if you're like doing a smoky eye tutorial, a smoky eye first of all on your eyes, so you have to use this concealer, and it's mandatory for you guys to use a concealer on it. Now after using concealer and setting powder, you can go on, it will be like a blank canvas and you can work onto it. Okay, now first of all use concealer, primer, then concealer, and not many products are required for it, but yeah, some or few you can say. So first we are doing is neutral shade. We are applying neutral shade on our eyelid, and this way from outer edge to the inner side, and it's a blending brush which we are using. And you can see the way I'm applying it, and it's a totally neutral shade. It is lighter, at least 1 shade lighter to my skin, and 2 shade lighter than my smoky eyeshadow. Now we are gonna use a flat brush, so we can apply the smoky eyeshadow on my eyelid. What you have to do, you have to apply on lash line, and you can take it to the upper side. You have to complete the what you have to do is you have to blend it properly so it can be get mixed up with your neutral shade, and it should not be like seen that it is not blended. It should be blended properly. Now you can have to, you can or you have to, it's like depend on you guys. I am the one who use fingertip as well for my eyeshadow, so you can see how I'm gonna use this, like the process of mine completing this one, like this smoky eyeshadow one.